Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Trividha bhavati Shraddha Dehinam सा स्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी च इति तां शृणु. Om. Keep faith in Krishna Paramatma. Have zeal and eagerness to act according to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep faith in you. I shall have eagerness and zeal to act according to you. O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Nara Narayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, with the atmosphere of autumn season, Vrindavanam is glowing. There are beautiful flowers blossomed, and those flowers are spreading so much of fragrance all around and entire of Vrindavanam. In that Vrindavanam, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Madhupatihi, ಅವಗಾಹ್ಯ ಚಾರಯನ್ ಗಾಹ ಸಹ ಪಶುಪಾಲ ಬಲಃ ಚುಕೂಜವೇನುಂ. Krishna Paramatma, along with so many friends and Balarama, he entered into Brundaranyam, and while gazing all the cows, Krishna Paramatma now playing his flute and doing his Venunadam. When that Venu Ganam is heard in Vrajam, some of the Gopikas, with their maids and with their friends, they started talking about great, wonderful attributes, divine qualities of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and they are enjoying Krishna Paramatma's divine beauty. In that enjoyment, in that joy, Krishna Paramatma was there in their heart, and Gopikas were trying to say something about Krishna, but their lips are not moving, their tongue is not moving, they are completely went into trance, enjoying Krishna Paramatma's beauty. In Brindaranyam, Krishna Paramatma is glowing. How is he looking? Barhapidam natavaravapuhu karnayoho karnikaram. Krishna Paramatma decorated peacock feather in his beautiful curly black hair. And he also decorated some of the blue flowers in his ears. With that, Bhuvana Mohanamaina Bhuvilasambuto Vamabhaganata Vadanamoppen. Krishna Paramatma's handsomeness, beautiness is captivating all 14 worlds, making all the entire universe get into trance. Such Krishna Paramatma, he is now bringing his eyebrows together and twisting, and he is now slowly putting his head inclined towards left side, and with all that kind of beautiful posture, he is now playing his flute. That Venu Ganam is making all the Gopikas in Vrajam went into trance and enjoying Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 2nd sloka. Trividha bhavati shraddha dehinam sa svabhavaja. Satviki rajasi chaiva tamasi chetitam shrunu. Trividha bhavati shraddha dehinam sa svabhavaja. Satviki rajasi chaiva tamasi chetitam shrunu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.